Chris Klein. I'm the product marketing manager for our utility size loaders with John Deere, and this is our 544L wheel loader. It's a 3-yard loader, and it's one of the first models we're introducing in our new L series lineup. And there's 3 things that I really want to talk about on the machine with you today that we've put a lot of work and effort into. We've got an all-new operator station, and we've got electro-hydraulic controls on it. And then the front end, we've redesigned the entire front end, the linkage, the buckets, and all the attachments in the front end. So those are the 3 major updates to the model. The rear end of the machine and the powertrain is relatively unchanged. Same engine with just a little more horsepower for a little more productivity. The same transmission, same axles. One of the things we did on the operator station is it's a completely new design from the ground up, and we really wanted to focus on operator comfort, because we know that over the course of a day, the more comfortable the operator is, the more productive and less fatigued he'll be. So we've taken the air conditioning system and we've moved it outside the machine to allow for more leg room. We've got a much higher level premium seat in this. It's heated and ventilated. The pan adjusts. We've integrated a dual tilt steering column in the cab. So as you try to get that steering wheel comfortable, the dual tilt allows you to get it in a better position. And then we've increased the size of the monitor. We used to have a 5-inch display. Now we have a 7-inch high definition display. As an option, we also have a dedicated rear view camera monitor. So for those operators operating in conditions, maybe they want to have full-time visibility to what's behind them, they can get that option, and the camera will always be on. When we talk about the electro-hydraulic controls, there's a number of things we've done there that makes the machine easier to operate. So there's a single joystick now, and you can operate up to 6 functions in one joystick. So you don't have a 3rd or 4th or 5th lever. Everything's in one lever. We have 2 buttons on that joystick that are actually programmable. So you as an operator may like things set up one way, but another operator may like things set up another way. So we can actually program those buttons to do different things for different operators. So you think, well, how would don't I have to change that? Well, the thing is, we have keyless start on these machines, so you're not losing those keys. And if you assign your operators different PIN numbers, when you go to start the machine, you have to put in a PIN. Okay? When you put in that PIN, the machine knows who that operator is, and his default settings are there. So once you set it up for one person, then it's set up based on his PIN. Pretty much all these size machines today are being sold with couplers, because they're trying to do more on the job site with these than just move dirt. They may want to put forks on them, or brooms, or some other attachment. So with the hydraulic coupler, they can change attachments quickly. Well, every time you put a different attachment on, what you can do is set up the hydraulics for that attachment and save it. You can save up to 10 different attachments. So when you switch from a bucket to a fork, you can go in the monitor and just say, select forks, and now all those hydraulic settings switch over. You don't have to go in every time and do that. The standard Z-bar is parallel lift. We also offer a high lift option, and then we offer, which gives you about another foot of hinge pin height, and then we have a high lift plus option. So that gives you, in addition to that first high lift, another 12 to 13 inches of height. We've got these new enhanced production buckets. They've all been redesigned, and you can see here we've got curved side cutters. We've got integrated spill guards, and with the parallel lift now, we're able to take this bucket and roll it back when you're in a carry mode, and we can roll it back 15 degrees more than our previous K-series models, and you're just getting far more material retention.